Hello, it's Weekend Wellness Time with Dr. Kari again. And today I wanted to bring you guys just a few tips on aging, right? As we start to age, the older we get, a lot of times I hear from patients of, well, I just turned 40 or I just turned 30. No wonder I'm falling apart. And to an extent, I get it. With every year, I realize I can't do things that I was able to do when I was 20. But when we age, it is definitely a choice, and how we age, we do have a lot of control over that. So I wanted to give you guys 6 tips today so that you can age a little bit more gracefully. First and foremost, it's better with pain relief, right? And the faster that we can take care of pain and not let it linger for year after year, because pain is usually the first sign that something's going wrong. So the faster that you at least seek some help or do something, change something when your body is having pain, that's gonna help you age more appropriately. The second thing, increased range of motion. And my patients that see me know that that is what I constantly talk about. So yes, I care about decreasing those pain levels, but if I don't increase your mobility or increase your range of motion, guess what? Your body's gonna continue to age at that accelerated rate. And so that's one of the biggest things that we focus on in the office, is to increase your range of motion, because a lot of times with that, your pain levels go down. You're less likely to need a nursing home. I know for a lot of my older patients that they always say, well, doc, I don't want to have to be put in a home. And so there's actually research out there that shows that patients who receive chiropractic care are less likely to need a nursing home later in life. So that's another pro right there. Decreased incidence of falling. So that's another huge one, that as we age, right, the most common thing that people talk about is, well, I hope they don't fall and break a hip, because the chances of them recovering is little to none, and which is such a true statement. And so we want to make sure that we keep you nice and healthy, so decrease that incidence of falling. Decrease joint degeneration. So along all those lines, joint degeneration, or another word for that could be arthritis, that when we keep you moving, when we keep your joints and increase your range of motion, we also decrease that likelihood of developing arthritis and degenerative arthritis, or joint degeneration, I should say. And last but not least, increase balance and coordination, which kind of goes along those same lines as decrease that incidence of falling. So when you are under regular chiropractic care, studies show that your balance and coordination go up, which decreases the risk of essentially everything else that I was just talking about. So those are your 6 tips to aging with grace, and hope to see you all soon.